Hi there, this is Lori, and I am going to be doing a review of Hostgator web hosting. And if you're watching this, you're probably considering using Hostgator to host your website. And I'm specifically focusing on WordPress hosting. And so we're going to go over the different platforms that Hostgator offers. We're going to go over how to install WordPress and then get your website up and running on a WordPress platform. So let's get right to it. So there is a link below in my description that goes directly up to Hostgator, and it has a promo code embedded in there that has the best possible discount for Hostgator. So you're going to get our best pricing discount because we use a lot of websites with Hostgator. So click on there. Be sure to do that to be sure to get your best pricing. So when you do, you're going to get a screen that looks like this, and we are going to go into Get Started. Okay, now before we go over the different packages that they offer, I just want to show you some of the things that I really like about HostGator. So if you're seeing here, the HostGating features unmetered bandwidth. That means there's no limit of data that you can use on your website. That's awesome. Another thing I really like is they have 99.9% uptime guarantee. Also, you can end your contract within 40 days and get your money back. If you've started this process, you don't like it, just cancel, you'll get your money back. I also like that they offer Google ad credits and Bing ad credits for first-time users of the signing up for Bing ads and Google ads, which is really nice. You only have to spend $25 for Google ads in order to qualify for your 100 free ad credits. So I really, really like that. And then what I also love about them is HostGator is in the United States, and their support is excellent. 24/7, 365 support. You can call them, you can live chat them, you can open a ticket if you're having any issues, and they are absolutely wonderful in helping you. They bend over backwards, and if you have a problem, they are there to help you. So I love that. So let's go back up and look at the different packages that they offer. So the hatchling, the baby, and the business. And now the hatchling is basically just a single domain. And the difference is for these other ones is they can host unlimited domains. So if you are just starting out, you're probably going to do just fine with the hatchling program. You can always upgrade to these later. So let's go into the hatchling. Okay, so this is where you would register your domain. This is where you can do a search and find out if your domain is available. So we're going to just do one that is not, that I know is not, because it would be a good one. So you always want to go .com, always. That's the best one for searches. So always pick a .com. Don't fall for any of these. Just keep it as a .com. So if you search for a domain and you can't find it, just go in there and keep looking until you find out what you want to find. So what I am going to do is I am going to do a one called howtohostgator.com. And that's available. Okay, they're going to ask you to do all these different ones. Don't do it. You just need the howtohostgator.com. Scroll down here. They're asking you if you want the privacy protection, and they're gonna default yes. So you want to unclick it. Now, what this does is it will protect your domain information. It'll just default to HostGator. But if it's public, all your information is going to be out there, and people do every time you register a new website. You're going to get calls, you're going to get emails, people are going to try to build your website. So you are going to get a lot of spammy stuff for about the first month. So if you don't mind that, you can ignore phone calls, ignore emails. You don't need this, or you can if you want. It's $15 a year, but I'm going to uncheck that. Now here are the different, we picked the hatchling, which is going to be just fine, and here you choose your billing cycle. So as you can see, if you don't do at least a year, you don't get any discounts for your plan. So we are going to look at the difference between the year plan and the 3-year plan and the 1 month to 6 month, which is going to be the same. So let's first look at the 12 month. So you want to go in and do this, enter your username. I'm going to bypass that because you can do that on your own. And here's your billing information also. The next thing they're going to do is they're going to pre-check this. It's a little sneaky that you want to get your site protected. You really don't need any of these. You can do these plugins on WordPress that kind of do the same things. The only thing I would ever consider is the backing up with Hostgator, your website, because they are hosting it. It'd probably be easier if your website crashes for them to re-implement it, but you don't really need that. That's the only one that I would even consider. As you can see, because you went through my link, you got the best coupon code available, so you're getting a really good deal here. So we're going to go down here. Your domain name, you have to pay for them yearly, and it's $12.95 a year. And here's the cost of the hatchling for 12 months. So you have 12 months. Your total for 12 months, including your domain, is roughly $85. So here's your discount. But I want to show you this. Let's go back up and let's look. So remember, we're at $85 here roughly. We're going to go back. Whoops, where are you? There we are. Okay, we are going to go back to 36 months.